So today I'm introducing to you the Truearth Jade pendant necklace. It comes packaged like this. Wonderful gift for the female in your life, and it comes with its own velvet case holder. It also comes with information and also well wrapped, and this nice cushioning packaging. Perfect. So this pendant comes in a cylinder shape. It also comes in a bead shape, but I chose the one with a cylinder shape, and the length of the chain is 18 plus 2 inches in addition right over there, and the size of the pendant is 26 by 25 mm. The jade bead necklace is made from natural green jade, and it has a fine workmanship. Very beautiful, very elegant. It has this cute little dangling thing right over there, and I love the meaning of jade. Jade promotes love, it promotes friendship, and it also attracts wealth, prosperity, gives you multiple money luck and happiness. So I love it. I love that the material is made out of brass with silver plates on it, and it's not harmful for your skin, so it's not going to irritate your skin if you have a sensitive skin. I love that it's not chemically tested, and this gives that appearance of excellence, appearance of expensive taste. So as you can see, I can either put it on right over there like that, or I can even extend it, so it does have an extendable necklace holder. So the clasp really holds well, and I'm gonna just put it on like this, so you can see how beautiful it looks. It looks so beautiful, so elegant against my skin, and I absolutely love it.